What's going on everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the all-new Asicstiger Gel-BND in the white and green colorway. This Gel-BND model is an all-new silhouette from Asics that debuted earlier this month. They retail for a price of only $80 USD, which is somewhere around 110 to 120 Canadian dollars. Drawing inspiration from past Asics models like the Gel Lyte 5 and the Gel Diablo, this all-new silhouette follows the dad shoe or chunky shoe aesthetic that we've been seeing for the past couple years. Before we go on any further with this video, I just want to give a huge thank you over to Asicstiger Canada for sending me over this pair. As we take a deep dive into the sneaker, the base layer of the sneaker is constructed using this very open mesh. As a result, the shoe has a very airy feel to it, and despite being a very chunky shoe, this is actually very lightweight. Found atop this white mesh, we have a ton of different overlays. So starting from the toe box, we have this blue suede, which starts at the front end of the toe box and then it makes its way along where the eyelets are and then towards the back heel of the shoe. Found on the midfoot of both the lateral side and the medial side, we have the Asics stripes, and this also extends upwards, serving as a second and third top eyelet for the laces. As we move further down towards the back heel, so we have this hit of white leather, and then towards the back of the shoe, you'll see there's this hit of orange, green, and blue. So this is actually done in nylon, and in the very center, we have this overlay in this black synthetic material, which has the gel branding printed on the center. The laces in this case is done in a flat style in this very vibrant orange, and then underneath this, we have the tongue. So the tongue is also constructed out of that white mesh, which once again makes it very airy and very lightweight. And then at the very top, we have this diamond-shaped patch with the Asics branding stamped on once again. So the interior of these Asics Gel-BNDs is lined in this white textile, and then pulling out the insole, we have your standard black-colored Asics insole with the Asics logo stamped on the heel in yellow. So the upper of these Gel-BNDs sit atop this full-length white-colored foam midsole. Encapsulated within the foam midsole, we do have gel technology, which is evident with this gel branding that's found on the lateral edge of the back heel. This midsole, which is very chunky and very high off the ground, to my surprise was actually very lightweight as well. As I flip these over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So this white portion, this is just exposed foam, and you'll see we have the Asics logo embossed in the center. However, there are overlays of rubber for added durability and traction, so we have this green rubber on the forefoot, and then black rubber on the back heel. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Asicstiger Canada sent me these in a size 10. Overall, I'd say that these are true to size and they are wide foot friendly, so for me, the size 10 was a perfect fit. Next up, in terms of comfort, nowhere near what I would call the most comfortable sneaker in my collection. They kind of feel like all the other dad shoes on the market, so they are very stable. You do feel like there's a lot of impact protection underneath your feet, but they don't have that squishy, soft feeling like a lot of other technologies like React or Boost. But that's not to say that they aren't comfortable in their own right as well. As long as you have your expectations in line, then these guys should not disappoint. Last but not least, from a quality perspective, so given that these are $80 USD, I wasn't too surprised that the quality wasn't that great. Overall, the materials did feel a little bit more on the cheaper side, and there was some glue stains and some craftsmanship issues on my pair. However, it wasn't anything ridiculously bad, and for the price point of 80 bucks, it's pretty much what you'd expect to get. So with all that said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these guys look on feet. From a design perspective, while I do appreciate that Asics is trying to go beyond their existing repertoire of retros, I personally find that the design of this Gel-BND is a little bit more on, let's just say it, the uglier side. I feel like it's trying to be a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and just overall, it just doesn't work for me. However, on the positive side, the price point is amazing and what you get for the price is pretty solid. So if you guys are looking for a more affordable option and you like this whole chunky dad shoe vibe, then this might be a shoe that you want to consider. Again, this is just my personal opinion, so if you guys love the design of this shoe, then more power to you, but I'm just giving you my honest thoughts. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the Asicstiger Gel-BND. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before we end this video, one more final thank you goes out to Asicstiger Canada for sending me over this pair, and until next time, I'll catch you guys all in the next one.